talking about film, an indie film making waves around the metro. Kausapin po natin ang direktor na si Direk Seymour Barros Sanchez. Hi, Direk. Good morning.
Good morning, Lisa.
And welcome po to Chika. Handumanan meaning remembrance in Bisaya po. Tama po ba?
Yes, it's a story of three people who seem to have lost hope of their worlds until their fateful encounter in Dumaguete in Negros Oriental.
Okay, the fact na set siya sa Dumaguete, is this the reason why Bisaya ang title?
Also, inspired kami kasi when we went to Dumaguete, it's a university town, and the story is about a blogging and traditional media, which is pocketbooks. And Dumaguete is also known as the home of writers. So we chose the location, and we were challenged because there are no films being shot in Dumaguete, mostly in Bacolod. But Dumaguete is the home of the national artist for film, Eddie Romero.
Oh, okay. Nice, a bit of trivia there. Okay, tell us about the characters here in the film and the actors. Actually, we just saw a clip. Nako, I'm sure marami nang nakilig. That was Akihiro, the Brazilian model. And actually, he plays the part of a Brazilian model in the film. Tell us about the other characters and the actors portraying them.
Okay. Chinchin Gutierrez plays a romance novelist.
Siya yung old school, the pocketbook.
Who shuns her publisher's demands to write erotic pocketbooks. The publisher is played by Dido de la Paz, a theater actor. Tapos si Jason Abalos, he plays a government accountant who actually wants to be a writer. No? Napilitan lang siyang mag-accounting because of the wish of his mother, played by Gina Lumawig.
Wow.
And then,
Bigatin ang cast.
in an introductory role, si Akihiro Sato, the famous Brazilian-Japanese model. But in the story, he is a Brazilian-Filipino model. He's
mukha
looking
namang
for
Pinoy.
his Pinoy mother.
Paano mo sila na-manipulate? How did you come across this story? Because it was you also participated in the writing. Swerte actually yung mga writers dito because mga estudyante kayo ni Ricky Lee. Tama po ba?
The group is called 14 Writers Group. It's composed of workshoppers from Ricky Lee's 14th script writing workshop. We got the actors, Chinchin Gutierrez, because we visited Dumaguete, and St. Paul University in Dumaguete and Silliman University hosted the launching of her CD environmental album, Uyayi.
Because she is a big environmentalist.
And then, when we talked to her, we were convinced that she can play the part because she needs to talk in Bisaya.
Well, she's also a wonderful actress. Chinchin is like an award-winning. I think she's one of the few really credible actresses out there who can fulfill any role. So, great choice with her. What about the writer? So, mga bata ba ang mga nagsulat nito? Or roughly halo-halo?
Ang range ng age namin from 25 to 30 years old.
So, there's not one main writer who came up with the story?
We have two writers. Ako yung isa. Tapos yung co-writer ko, si Richard Legaspi. He's directing a film for Cinema One, yung Cyclone Loop. Pero sa November pa yun.
Okay.
Right now, yung Handumanan yung pinopromote.
Pero ba't nyo naisipang gumawa ng pelikula? Because I believe your background is short films, diba? This is your first full-length feature, and you made it particularly for Cinemalaya. Tama po ba?
It was funded by the National Commission for Culture and the Arts.
Okay.
Yung main target namin is to join festivals. So we submitted it to Busan and World Film Festival of Bangkok. And we have a new competition sa Cinemalaya na NetPac. Out of the competition, pero yung mga newcomers na may films pwedeng sumali doon.
Well, what I like about your approach to your first full-length feature is that it's very, very deep, and yet hindi ka nag-jump sa mga issues. Like, usually kasi we get known for like kinatay, or for sa mga child labor, or mga street fighting. You decided to showcase the lives of three very, very different people, yet Pinoy. You really believe you're wanting to showcase Filipino stories.
Actually kasi mass communication teacher ako.
Okay, is that where it's coming from?
Yun talaga yung aking job. Tapos I was inspired by a lesson about traditional media, yung pocketbooks nga. Tapos napansin ko parang nawawala na sila sa market. Tapos kinonnect ko siya sa new media, which is vlogging. Kaya si Akihiro Sato, siya yung nagre-represent ng vlogging. Tapos si Jason Abalos, siya yung nagre-represent nung pocketbooks. Tapos nag-beat lang sila through Chinchin Gutierrez.
Well, Direk Seymour, ang maganda dyan, you're cementing the fact na every director daw should always start off with something that you know. And nakakatawa naman, it's coming from your background as an academic na you decided to put forth an artistic kind of work. Sino-sino pa yung mga tumulong sa inyo dito besides NCCA and of course Cinemalaya and 14? How did you go about production? Nahirapan ba kayo? Mabilis ba ang trabaho? Or
We got a 500,000 peso grant from the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, but it's not enough.
Oo,
So we
Dumaguete,
got
out of
sponsors
town pa
from
kayo.
Dumaguete kasi since University City yon, a university town, maraming mga restaurants na nag-provide ng food. And of course, yung location namin provided by Pura Vida Beach Resort. Tapos meron din support from 7-Eleven.
But that's nice. At least wherever you were, there was full support. Imbis na they're gonna make you singil pa. Na parang nandito kayo nagsushoot, bayaran nyo kami. But again, it's lovely that you got major support. And of course, for a lot of people who are already watching us now, they're wondering, will you premiere it here or isasabit muna sa international festivals? Kasi usually it's against the rules to premiere it locally, diba?
We submitted it to Cinemalaya, NetPac. So
It'll be shown when?
it will, if it got accepted for the competition, it will be shown between July 18 to 26. But we also got a booking from Robinson's Galleria in the Cine from July 29 to August 4.
Hindi naman siya magka-clash with international festival
Doon
requirements.
sa ibang festivals, hindi naman. Sa
Okay.
Busan, tsaka sa World Film Festival, Bangkok, hindi naman.
Okay,
required.
because others are strict na dapat hindi pa raw pinapalabas, diba? Dapat sila yung mauuna. So, a lot of people can just line up for tickets. You'll find out if it actually makes Cinemalaya when? At the end of the month? Or dun na?
This week.
This week na. And it'll be out on papers, I'm sure. So would you like to invite our friends out there? If not in Cinemalaya, at least they can check it out in Robinson's Galleria.
Again, we would like to invite you to watch Handumanan or Remembrance starring Chinchin Gutierrez, Jason Abalos, and Akihiro Sato. Aside from the good story, we have award-winning actors and the hottest Brazilian model in town. So it will be on from July 29 to August 4 at the Robinson's Galleria in the Cine. And hopefully it makes it to the Cinemalaya NetPac competition at the Cultural Center of the Philippines from July 17 to 26.
And also abroad. Good luck to you, Direk Seymour, and
Thank you.
congratulations on your first feature film, full-length feature film. We got more coming up, so please don't go away. Shika will be right back.